Welcome back to our channel, Diaries. Today we are stepping back in time. We have left the modern cities behind to explore a piece of living history. We are in the Eastern Province, in the heart of Al-Ahsa, at the traditional market called souq Al-Qaisariyah. Getting to the souq is easy, but if you want to skip the parking headache, I recommend the bus. Al-Ahsa has a brand new super efficient bus system that drops you right at the market. It's affordable, clean, and saves you from circling for a spot. We are heading to the entrance into the center of the souq. I love that it's a completely enclosed car-free zone. It keeps the traffic out and the traditional vibes in, making it so much easier to wander and explore. As we are entering the market, it's about 7:30 p.m., right in that quiet moment before the evening rush. Since it's Ramadan, most of the shops don't open until 8 p.m., so the corridors are still peaceful and many of the wooden doors are still closed. But you can feel the energy picking up. Merchants are arriving, unlocking their stores and getting everything ready for the night ahead. It's the perfect time to see the market slowly coming to life. In the heart of Al-Qaisariyah Market stands a symbol of the past, the famous red truck. Decades ago, trucks like these carried merchants, families, and goods across long desert roads. Before modern highways and fast cars, this was the lifeline connecting towns and markets across Saudi Arabia. Today, it rests here as a reminder of the journey from tradition to modern life. Right in the center of the souq, the alleys open up into lively hubs filled with tea and coffee shops that are truly the heartbeat of the market. There are public sitting areas where we can take a break and just soak it all in. It's the perfect spot to grab a cup of Saudi coffee or a glass of mint tea and enjoy any of the local treats you would have picked up from the surrounding stores. Whether you are here for the caffeine or conversation, this is where the heritage of Al-Ahsa really comes to life. You really need not to miss the art gallery inside the souq. There are paintings of Al-Qaisariyah, traditional items, and surrounding areas that all define Al-Ahsa life. is the perfect place to see the beauty of history captured in paintings. After some time, we decided to treat ourselves to some orange juice and shawarma. The market was beginning to come to life. The alleys were getting busy and some people were coming in and more stalls had opened. We were drawn to a stall selling an incredible variety of teas from traditional black lemon, mint to zesty ginger, but the star of the show was karak tea. We picked up 2 different kinds to see which one was the winner. Trust me, the aroma alone was worth the stop. I chose ginger and lemon, and my wife chose mint and saffron. These teas looked really delicious and beautiful in the paper cups. Look at the color. I sweetened the tea with some sugar and we walked away enjoying delicious steaming tea. Next, we couldn't resist a stop at this local snack store. They had an incredible selection of seasoned potato fries, all made fresh right there. The guys running the shop were so welcoming. We ended up having a great chat with them, and they were more than happy to show us what they made before we continued with our journey through the souq. It is these small friendly interactions that make exploring Al-Ahsa so memorable. Let's continue with our walk through the souq. As you can see, most stores had opened at this point. I like the fact that souq Qaisariyah retains the traditional flavor. From the architecture, the design, the stores, and everything sold. It's truly remarkable. Then we got to a store with a gentleman who was selling some different kinds of teas. Black tea, green tea, white tea, and Saudi coffee. He took a moment to tell us about his products. When we first arrived, the market was still sleeping, the lights here were low and the screens were not turned on. But as we are leaving, the whole place has transformed. Everything is now brilliantly lit and the screens are glowing. We had to take one last moment just to stand here and absorb the vibe. Seeing Al-Qaisariyah in full bloom like this is the perfect way to end the night. As we walk through the souq, the golden glow from the jewelry shop catches the eye. Gold has always held a special place in Saudi culture. For generations, it has symbolized beauty, prosperity, and family heritage. From wedding gifts to treasured heirlooms, each piece carries a story connecting the past to the present in the historic market. Look at the gold. All this gold, the designs, very beautiful. All these are gold stores. All these shops are selling gold. The amount of gold here is amazing. This market sells a variety of items, including dresses. These dresses are beautiful. designed to pair elegantly with the market's gold offerings. Whether you're looking for traditional heritage items or contemporary accents, this market has it all. Folks, this is souq Al-Qaisariyah in Al-Ahsa, a place to be. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.